ng Pilipinas.
Keyboard player.
Our divine providence, we humble ourselves before you as we praise your holy name and feel your presence in our midst. We implore your divine guidance and blessing as we consciously gather on this occasion in pursuit and furtherance of the cherished goals and objectives of our beloved fraternity. We beseech you, all-powerful God, to enrich our hearts, to enlighten our minds, and to broaden our understanding and compassion to one another as we carry and pursue our goal and objectives not only on this particular occasion, but also on the many of the times our striving endeavors. Please, Almighty God, elevate our spirits and fortify our steps as we seek, keep, and edify our fraternity ever one and all, and as we strive perseveringly to enhance and strengthen our national brotherhood. All these are divine providence. We fervently ask under your supreme guidance and direction. Amen.
May na to ha, pwede na natin lakasan. May yan, ha? Ay, wala.
God love you, been for country's sake, for strength and mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. Where eagles, the living eagles, lasting peace and all the nation. Where eagles, the little people, leaders of the nation, for brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity, in place and still of human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. Where eagles, the living eagles, lasting peace and all the nation. Where eagles, the little people, leaders of the nation, for brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity, embrace the thrill of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.
Mabuhay ang NYEC! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay! Good evening!
Good evening.
Okay.
First is to recap the meetings, general membership meeting. Number one, for a secretary recap, there are two things gagawin niya. determine the quorum, and then approve the agenda. Now, how do we determine a quorum? We are 15, pero kulang pa ng 5, di ba? Another way to determine a quorum, I'm now asking sa ating Magna Carta kung pwede tayong mag-proxy votes for quorum. So, sino may Magna Carta di sa aton? No? Pero one way to come to a quorum is maski isa-isa tayo, mag-text tayo sa isang kasama natin na can I proxy for you? Pag sabi yes sa meeting, pag sabi yes, isang vote na yan eh. Diba ba yung proxy? So kung 10 tayo, maski 5 lang pumasok mag-yes, we can proceed to the quorum, President. Sige. Para ma-approve natin ang agenda.
So, mag-text dito muna tayo.
Oo, sige.
Kahit tingnan na ba?
Simple lang na text. O kuya, gusto mo ba mag-proxy sa quorum natin? Or kuya, mag-proxy ka para sa quorum? Pag sabi yes, screenshot nyo yan ha, kasi ipapadala nyo yan sa secretary. Pwede? Sige.
Okay. I will start by, dahil most of you, I was expecting na dito yung Muslim community. Pero most of you, hindi pa ako masyadong kilala. So very briefly, papakilala lang ako. My whole name is Roberto Reformado. You can call me Toti. I'm from Makati, Manila, no? And I came here to Negros after retirement from Coca-Cola, after 28 years of service with Coca-Cola. I was a senior manager handling the top 76 customers of Coca-Cola. So it was a very glamorous and buhay, no? And I chose to lead a life of an island boy sa Nakawon. And from Nakawon, fast forward, nagtayo ako ng takos ni Toti, no? So I just like to emphasize yung nasa Coca ko, ang marketing, I had access to marketing budget of 1 billion a year, 1 billion pesos. So, kaya ko na sinasabi yan is, kung medyo masama na akong tao, nakakupit na ako doon over the years, no? So, I'm just emphasizing yung funds natin dito under the leadership ng new officers and our Kuya Treasurer is very, very safe. And we will be very transparent. Okay. So, next is, hindi pa tayo pwede mag-appoint ng officers?
Pwede na that's for information, pwede na.
Okay. So,
it's something we release as officers.
okay, sige. As advised by our Kuya Seth, Kuya Rafi, the 2025 Mascara Yuhog Eagles Club officers are as follows. Your President, yours truly, Kuya Toti Reformado. Your Kuya Vice is Kuya Henor Calaveral. How about our Secretary is Kuya Rafi Catalan. Our Treasurer, Kuya Dwight. Our Auditor is Raymond Dandan. And then here are the list of appointed officers. No? For Club Assistant Secretary, Kuya Leo Bato. Our Club Protocol Officer, Kuya Tek David. And Kuya Dennis Alunan. Our Club Care Chairman is Kuya Opao Ferian Alicante. Club Grievance Committee Chairman, Reynaldo Alverastin. Club Comelec Chairman, Raymond Dandan. Club Comelec Vice Chairman, Kuya Ratchet Way, Longon, and Kuya Roberto Bert Herbulari. Board of Directors are as follows: Kuya Manny Filamo, Kuya Melvin Manaay, Kuya Ivan Irog, Kuya Alan Suan, Kuya Edison Dolan. Our Regional Assemblyman, yours truly, and then Kuya Ivan Irog, and Kuya Arnel Sabura. Our alternate Regional Assemblyman, Kuya Hensley Yancy Montelier, Kuya Romel Villaremo, and then our club committee heads are as follows: our Digital and Communications Head, Ate Michelle Arias-Gado. Just to clarify, isa sa magiging focus natin, aside from rebuilding the club and making it vibrant and active again, we will document all our activities, GMM, special events, community service, celebrations, outings and all, because we want to post them in our new Facebook and Instagram. That way we will be able to encourage, invite, and convince more members, no? Okay. And our community affairs head, Ate Charity Taro. Any questions on that?
No.
Wala naman? Last year, we launched a project or na magkakaroon ng ang MYEC magkakaroon ng roadmap for 2024. For some reason, hindi siya nag-progress, hindi siya natuloy, and I felt very sad. Now we will reactivate that. I will just show you. Okay. So, ito yung we will just change it 2025. In fact, it was all signed na except by our former president. So, pero pirmado na siya lahat, kaya hindi siya tumakbo. Next page, please. So, madali na lang to dahil titirapan na lang natin. Next page, please. So, it explains here kung sino ang MYEC. The club is composed of a group of professionals and businessmen who are capable and willing to extend help to the less fortunate people of the community. Agree?
Yes.
Agree.
The Eagles will do it through strong brotherhood. Tapos, pinocus na rin natin kung sino yung groups of people ang ating tutulungan. Community service and assistance to the less fortunate will focus on those living below the poverty line. Yung talagang may pangangailangan lang. Who are these? The elderly, the homeless, street children, orphanages. There was a proposal to adopt an institution, disabled and unemployed potential scholarship candidates. SWOT analysis, ano strength ng MYEC yung ginawa ito? We are diplomatic, we are open-minded, transparent tayo, we have strong connection sa ating network. Malaki, malawak ang ating network ng grupo natin, and we are committed. Anong weaknesses? Still, low on funds. Okay? Lalo na ngayon, naka-negative tayo. But we will discuss that with the one. And then, may maraming inactive members. So, for some reason, at that time, medyo talagang divided ang house, tapos very low ang moral, kaya hindi siya talagang tumulong. And then, well, most are not 100% engaged. Anong opportunities? Siyempre, we build the club and grow the membership, and then maraming channels and recipients na pwede nating nakita in terms of getting members, in terms of getting support. Kasi pag nag-fundraising tayo, pwede naman tayo lumapit sa mga LGU, private sector, businesses, and everything. Diba? Agree mga kuya, ate?
Yes.
Okay. Ang stress lang talaga at that time is masyadong malakas yung politicking within the group. Sabi mo nga, divided ang house, ang daming misaligned ideas, and mainly, the respect to each other nawala. Yung trust nawala. So everybody was playing their own game. You know. Any questions po?
No.
Okay naman.
Okay.
Are you agreed with this?
Yes.
Yes, positively.
Okay. So, anong plano? Okay, we will have community service, feeding programs, bayanihan, Christmas feeding, youth bags for the young and old, and adopt an institution. By the way, as we craft, we will try to agree na kung sino mag-head nito or magiging katulong ni Ate Charity to build this. And anyone is welcome to give input here para solid na solid yung roadmap natin. Tama? Fundraising. May ano nun na basura to cash, sports fest to sponsorship, special events. Pwede naman tayo magka-dinner for a cause or whatever. So as we move forward, kapag ginagawa to, the earlier we can finish this, the better, and we will have a more specific guide throughout the year. So, it's February now. Pag naayos ni Ate Cha ito, that means we have 9 more months to move forward and follow this. Okay. Bago lahat, I'd like to thank everybody para sa inyong tiwala and trust for voting me the President. I have to be honest, I was very hesitant para tumakbo. Pero kasi alam ko maraming magiging sakit ng ulo, magiging dagdag na load sa akin. Pero alam nyo, being one of the charter officers ng NYC, na-in-love na ako dito eh. Kaya ganun na lang ako makipag-away noon. Unfortunately, yung campaign ko noon, hindi rin nag-progress dahil syempre, sino ba naman ako? So I had to take an inactive role. So I ran for the presidency. Why? Because somebody simply has to do it. Somebody has to take control, take leadership, and bring the club back on its feet again. Okay, so again, thank you for your support, thank you for your confidence, and thank you for your help. Okay? So, nilista ko doon kung ano yung magiging priority ko at nating lahat. Diba? We will rebuild the trust and brotherhood. Mga ate, yes, pagtutulungan natin ito. Okay. And then we will reignite yung eagle spirit. Nung nabuo ito, NYAC, napakasaya namin. At lahat, bibo-bibo, ganado dito, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, it simply died down. Napakalungkot. Nagkaiwa-iwalay, nagkabatang-batang. So, we need to rebuild. Okay? Restoring order and stability. Again, nagkaroon ng chaos sa GC, halad, tira dito, tira dyan, ganyan, dito group, pam-pam. So, it was very roller coaster ride para sa akin. At yung iba, traumatic, and very sad. So, we need to rebuild, sabi ko rebuild and reorganize. So, dito ko lang pa yung gusto ng focus at i-reiterate, this is not a leadership win. Hindi ako tumakbong presidente para maging popular, para maging famous, or to take hold of this group and take control. No. It is a call to action to all of us, because I cannot do it alone. I need your support, trust, and commitment to help our club rise again. Right? Together we can bring back the pride and glory of the Mascara Youth Eagles and soar as one united body. So with your trust, I am confident we can turn this club around and reclaim our rightful place as a standing and respected force in the community. So yun lang, mga kasama, mga kuya, ate, talagang magtulungan tayo. If we are serious, I know we are serious, that's why you are here tonight. If we are serious, we have to shift into higher gear and be more solid. So gusto ko lang ibalik, respect, trust, transparency, and value. Because we are a family. Okay?
Agree. Agree. Point of order, ha? Si Rafi Cadalso, si Dandan, nagpa-proxy sa akin. We need any more?
Send ako sa GC.
May send na, tatlo na.
Si Ivan Hiro.
Ate Michelle.
Ate Michelle. So we have a quorum.
Kuya namin po.
Send ko lang
Kayo
si
believe mo ba? So I would like to proclaim today's meeting has a quorum. So we will proceed with every decisions we have.
Okay, so I will go.
Abong.
Okay, talking about the gong, baka nagtataka kayo, this is not yet our gong and label. It's our Lost in Paradise.
Paradise ba, bro?
I'm being optimistic. Okay, so by the power vested in me as the newly elected president of Mascara Youth Eagles Club, I now call this GMM for February in order. Balikan natin yung Go and Label. Dito tayo sa Go and Label. After so many tries that tried to convince through other kuyas, we were trying to convince our former president to please return the Go and Label because it is rightfully the ownership. It rightfully belongs to the club. It is not a personal belonging. It is not given to a former president as a memorabilia. Souvenir. Kung gusto niya siguro ng souvenir, pagawa na lang siya ng replica niya. Kung talagang hindi niya mabitawan yung pagka-presidente niya o memory niya sa presidente sa MYEC, pagawa siyang replica.
Lapida.
Dapat na-edit naman yan. Hindi, tapos, pagawa na sa sarili ng replica at isoli na lang sa atin. Why? Again, property natin yan, binayaran natin yan. Okay? So, we will formally write national to request na maibalik sa atin para alam nila, aware naman ng national to take the due process. Yes, sir.
In connection to that, Kaspa, can we make some as a resolution regarding sa
Meron tayo mamaya sa agenda.
Yes.
Kaya na tayo nakapag-go engagement ngayon dahil pinahiram tayo ng MEC, which is okay and I think proper because MEC is our sponsoring club naman. Pag nung nabuo yung
Kuya.
yes, kuya.
Sa bagay, kung hindi niya pwede mabitawan yung para sa atin, pwede naman siguro na bayaran niya tayo na magpagawa siguro.
Pwede rin.
Okay,
Oo.
mas maganda talaga ang petition. Mas maganda yung original kasi para yung solid na
babayaran niya.
Bayaran na natin siya.
Actually, hindi natin siya dapat bayaran doon. Kasi bayaran na namin yun.
Bayad naman yun.
Bayad na yun. Yung sa kanya lang, hindi niya mabitawan kasi mayroon siyang sisingilin na nasa Baranggaw.
Oh. Sige sir, point of order ha. This is a covering of authority itong gong na to para sa atin.
Yan.
Now, the leadership in Manila, no, as expressed by Pres Joy's meeting last time sa Macdo, the Manila leadership will be the one to ask it from the former president. If he is not going to give it back, meron nangyari na doon na kinasuhan talaga siya ng nasyonal. This is covering us also as Yuhong. Now, all they need to act on it para yung nasyonal na magpunta sa kanya is that we make a resolution, isubmit natin kay Prince Joy, si Prince Joy submit sa nasyonal na magkuha sa kanya. Because it is very meaningful na ang original talaga makuha natin.
Wait, speak ako. Ang sabi sa akin ni Secretary General sa National, kailangan natin makuha yun. Kasi hindi sila magbibigay ng replika sa atin. So yun yung original na kung, and yun yung original na, ano matawag doon ko yan? Charter grant. No? So kung hindi mo sasoli sa atin yun, ang mabibigay lang sa kay Kuya Tosi is lack of appreciation. No? So, and then yung GOM, the authorized and official GOM natin, kailangan din masoli yun kasi hindi pwedeng replika yun nasa harap ng GMM natin. So, sakto, mamaya ipapaliwanag yung about dun sa letter. So sabi ni Kuya Secretary General sa akin, hindi ko pa kasi siya na-update, nakakausapin niya si Kuya Hector about doon. Pero talagang hindi siya pwedeng ibigay. Kasi yung original is dapat nasaklat siya.
At idadagdag ko lang, the fact na hindi ka na pwede mag-umpisa ng meeting na walang go and gable, it is that sacred. So ba't mo papalitan, ba't tayo papahiyag yung kapalit na replika, sacred niya yung hindi nga nga makapag-umpisa ng meeting eh. Ngayon, kung gagawin ko lang yung replika, paano natin sinabi yung meeting? Diba? So we really need to, so kung meron pa kayong contact sa kanya, help us to convince, and tell him, panuwa na lang siya yung replika niya. Diba?
Pwede lang po contact ko yun kasi ako na siya contact. Kasi bilang parking niya yung barong, so ako na siya contact. Pero kuya si National, Kuya Secden, maano ko sa kanya.
Again, kung may utang tayo, kung totoo may utang tayo sa barong, hindi mo rin pwede i-ransom yung group engagement.
Yes, so.
Diba? Again, it's a sacred item of the club.
Hindi, mas mabuti niya. Kung di ba sa may new members naman natin na bago pumasok, kung sino yung may utang, babayaran yun. Kasi para at least, mas safe naman sa kanya kung babayaran natin kasi may utang talaga kung may utang. Pero kung wala namang utang, bakit babayaran natin siya? Kung wala naman tayong utang. Ang mga new members.
Sige. So as far as that is concerned, again, we will take the due process, communicate to the right people, and hope na peacefully ibalik as soon as possible. Then we cannot go on, nangyayaram tayo ng going and gable every month.
Yeah.
Everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Let's go to the membership updates. Kuya Dwight, meron ka bang...
Wala po, sorry. Kuya, yun yung hinahanap ko yung list ng payment eh.
Actually, it's with Tony.
Nandun.
Nandun kay Kuya Tony.
Nandun kay Kuya Tony.
Actually nga, Kuya, nag-chat ako dun eh. Sining niya lang eh. Kasi kailangan ko din kunin yung mga nag-contribute. Kasi we need to, yun sa membership na mag-digit.
That is the same thing na diba? Yun yung pinakita ko yung mga text ko kay Kuya si Kuya Victor kahit sa inyo pinakita. Pero wala siyang sagot.
As well, we could include him sa resolution.
So, okay, pero walang record, so we're gonna start yun na lang. From Johnson, we start first natin. Tapos ako nila, ay mo na, di pa ako yung nagawang given. Tapos, start nila ito. So, kung ito isang utang.
Kung anong mga utangan ta nga, ano, mamuta na eh.
Ako, Aryo,
Kung anong natipon
ako
ka,
pwede ko sa end of the month, maabot ko sa utang sa 20, maabot ko 5. Pero,
okay.
okay.
Okay. I will commit also pledge 5,000 also. Kasi kailangan natin ng seed. Ako naman 1,000 ko. Nakakamot ako 1,000 na ligad ha? Pantay. Yung lugar na mag-pledge ka tapos may higol pa.
Sige. Sige pa. Ako yung white sa end of the month lang pa.
Okay.
End of the month na lang lahat.
End of the month na.
Para isang ano lang.
By the end of the month, ubos na yan. Bayad na yan.
Kasi parang kaya yung sinabi, di mo easy ngayon.
Itong mga pledges na to is for what? We will use this for paying is due. Pero sa ito na kuya, ang ato na para at least mabayaran na lang. Pero ang sulukton tayo sa mga member ta, sulukton again. Para at least fund.
Okay. Point of order. We cannot support our members. Kaya sila yung gatuin ng members, nyo nahatag yung partang. So, suktong tagit ya, we have to really ask them ang nagbakon sa mga man. Not the members, pero makipot ng members.
Kung hindi sila maghatag sa atin sa member na sinitong may kabayan, hindi sila yung suktong tayo.
So we need a list for that challenge na ni Man.
Ano, ang mag-amod ka sa balayra, paros na sa unang nagbayad ka tapos may buwis na jail. Oo, ang mga dyan.
List siya every month niya.
Ano lang it is a separate case. Kasi niya ang pledge siya para naging trigger itong mga balance.
Para mawala na yun.
We want to erase that, you know why? Once may erase na, we can move forward. No? Mahambal sila ang maskara o ang yuong stood up for their
Kung may kabayan, hindi sila yung suktong tayo.
So we need a list for that challenge na ni Man.
Ano, ang mag-amod ka sa balayra, paros na sa unang nagbayad ka tapos may buwis na jail. Oo, ang mga dyan.
List siya every month niya.
Ano lang it is a separate case. Kasi niya ang pledge siya para naging trigger itong mga balance.
Para mawala na yun.
We want to erase that, you know why? Once may erase na, we can move forward. No? Mahambal sila ang maskara o ang yuong stood up for their responsibility. Pero in the mind of others, kayang iban wala ng responsibility. So it will look up good for us. It will honor us. Di atong iyang nagkasala, the people will judge them na lang. Let's move forward na. Okay? Yeah, I agree with you. You are correct. What's the update? Wala po naman may nagdugang 5,000 ah. Sige. Pwede mo na, may post na mayaran ng dugang. Okay, next topic.
Okay. So, ano lista ba?
Sino si Kuya?
May bandit na.
You know what? Naman yun. The moment we come up with an amount tonight, kung i-post ka sa kwan, sa GC ka, kananta, ma-press ka sa heart, everybody will be excited to join us. So, at least may
At least full month.
So, move on. Padala na siya collection letter. Padala natin sa collection letter.
Dahil natin siya ako, siya ka. Makakolektif siya.
Okay? Let's move.
Okay, sige. May isang way, actually, yung pag-raise ng funds natin immediately, yung mga willing magbayad ng advance ng kanilang monthly dues to be applied na lang advance.
Yes.
So, pwede rin yun.
Kuya Pres, so ngayon tayo mag-start naman yung dues natin kasi di ba start fresh?
Yes.
So,
That's
ngayon
right.
tayo.
That's right.
Oo, para wala nang yung mga back.
Parang na-break lang dun sa
Pagpapalipari tayo, sige na tayo, previous wala na yun.
Muna.
Reborn na yun.
Reborn nga eh. Reborn nga eh.
Reward. Bayad ako na yun ha.
Advance ah.
Reward.
Okay. Call to order lang. Okay, so thank you very much sa support. Tama yung strategy ni sinasuggest ni Kuya Seth. After this meeting, i-post natin yung agreement natin to settle the East View to move forward. However, we can forgive, but we will not forget. Okay? We can forgive, but we will not forget. Meaning, yung resolutions na gagawin natin against the erring persons will push through. It will push through. Because there are medyo grave yung nangyari, medyo grave. I mean, I'm talking about abandonment of duty, accountability issue, marami pang iba. So we have a draft already of the resolution. So we will just finalize that. Have all officers sign it. Officers and members, no? Officers lang. And then we will forward it to region and national.
Important majority
Ay, hindi lang sa officers, pati board of directors pala. Kung ay okay? Are we in agreement with that? Remember, we're not after them. Sabi nga, we can forgive, but we cannot forget.
O sige, I move you second the motion to the letter plus the action items to be taken after the letter.
So anong action? Resolution regarding, let's be specific. Dapat it should be stated clearly.
I-detail natin.
It should be stated clearly when it comes. Because we will approve that.
Yeah. Ang resolution, based na pag-usapan namin Kuya Pres, ni Kuya Joy, ang unang gagawing resolution is to remove si Kuya Hector dito sa club. Then para makakilos ang national, tuban siya sa Yaka. Second issue, second resolution is to ibalik yung Nongeng Gagel. Then the third issue, Kuya Pres, is up to you, is for the accountability of Kuya Tony.
Okay.
Tapos tatlong resolution yung i-ano natin. But ang ASAP is the removal of Kuya Hector sa club. Yun yung resolution na dapat daw yan. Ibilisan natin.
Para clear lang, I will read to you now the draft ng resolution. Hindi ko lang na-save at napa-post. But I will read as follows. Resolution 2025 number 1. As a resolution on the expulsion of MYEC President Hector Reli E. Tarion. Whereas the now former president of Mascada Yuhong Eagles Club, Hector Reli E. Tarion, has moved his membership without organizational clearances to another unallied Eagles Club without fulfilling his unresolved club and financial accountabilities. Whereas such actions constitute plain fraudulence to the organization, misrepresentation, and desertion of the club. leading to the disappointment and disillusionment among club members. Whereas, Hector E. Berrion's departure and failure to address club and financial accountabilities have resulted in significant loss of trust among the club members. Whereas, Hector Remy E. Berrion's representation as president, departure and failure to address club and financial accountabilities have resulted in a significant loss of trust among the club members. Therefore, sa pag-idagdag natin dito yung wrong engagement. Therefore, be it resolved that Hector Remy E. Berrion is hereby expelled from Mascara Yuhong Eagles Club effective immediately. Furthermore, Hector Remy E. Berrion is required to return the club's golf and gavel, which ceremoniously and rightfully belongs to the club. Be it further resolved that this resolution shall be signed by the current officers and board members of the Mascara Yuhong Eagles Club to formally document the expulsion and the retirement requirement of return to the club's property. So, anybody wants to, do I hear any motion to push through the resolution?
Would like to move.
Resolution?
I move to push through the resolution as read by our
Yeah, so anyone can move. Kuya Vic? I move. Seconded by? Seconded? Okay, Kuya Alan.
Okay. So,
the motion is carried.
So the motion to create and submit a resolution versus our former president Hector Berrion is carried. Okay. The second question. Okay. So, basically, it reads the same, kaya lang mas specific kay Kuya Tony. But first, before that, do we carry an investigation or write him a letter? Notice to explain?
Notice to explain.
Notice to explain ko si Kuya Tony.
Hindi ba siya?
Para ang movement niya, si Hector Director mo. Kuya Tony, kuwan lang.
Mutangan tabi nakaoras. Timing. Pag wala siya response, meaning
Guilty siya.
may ara ka na.
Kung sa kasa. Kung hindi siya mag-sabat sa atin. Kung hindi siya mag-sabat sa atin, punta sa kaso. Victor. Pero kung mag-reply siya, naaritanan yung mga papili siya, tanang kay Victor. Pwede siya ma-append natin na as a member.
Ang point ko lang dito is, muna siya, if pamaputon si Kuya Tony regarding sa funds or amounts, mas ipasa na kay Michelle. Kasi Michelle ang tagaan na to sa Gcash.
Kuya Vic, let Kuya Tony explain.
Siya yung
Importante mabigyan siya ng sulat.
Ano ba?
We'll decide on that. But let Kuya Tony explain first.
Si Tony,
Tapos na sa...
Tony needs to explain first kasi si Ate Michelle, aspirant pa dati. Sa induction na siya naging ate. So, ang una talagang tanungin yung eager na.
Yeah, I can't think, Kuya, but the point is, we were all advised na all our financial na contribution will be forced through sa Gcash niya. Ni Michelle.
Kukulit pa rin tayo.
Mas bakit ang tulong kay Kuya Tony?
Kukulit.
Depende
Yeah, that's right.
Definitely, kung siya si Michelle sa mga payments.
Kuya Tony na masabat. Kuya Tony na masabat. Nalataw sa linya.
Saka yan talaga yung purpose ng notice to explain. Bigyan mo sa kanya, explain niya, and the following actions are based on his answers.
Pero mas like sa iyo explanation ko yun.
Hindi natin pwede sabay-sabayin yan and assume na attendance was instrumental and ano. Bigay namin notice to explain. As per our record, we are negative, blah blah blah, and you need to explain blah blah blah. Then let it.
Thank you. Mabuhay ang Agila.